Hello and welcome to another Royal Brunei trip report. Today I will be sharing the last leg of my 24-hour journey from Melbourne, Australia back to London Heathrow in Europe. I hope you come along on the last 7 hours from Dubai to London Heathrow. Enjoy! Back in 2018 when I took this flight, the flight from Brunei to London Heathrow had a technical stop in Dubai, which is positive in a few ways. First of all, the passengers can get off the plane and stretch their legs on such a long journey, especially if this isn't your first flight like mine. I started in Melbourne, Australia, so my journey was even longer. Secondly, they can exchange the crew so they are not so fatigued on a long flight. They can clean and refuel the aircraft again, and the overall travel time is only marginally higher. Furthermore, the airline can pick up some more passengers in Dubai or leave some in Dubai. Welcome aboard Royal Brunei 787. The economy class cabin comes in a standard 333 configuration. However, the legroom is 33 inches, which is kind of unusual, but perfect for long haul flights. Since we are technically still on the same flight, my seat will be the same 39K. Already waiting on each seat was a fresh pillow and blanket, which is nice. And like I said before, the legroom is just phenomenal. It's amazing. I'm 1 meter and 76 tall and I could stretch my legs. Apart from a few napkins, the lavatory was very clean. Also, one thing I liked, Royal Brunei offers complimentary toothbrush and toothpaste. Personally, I enjoyed the entertainment screen of Royal Brunei Airlines. The touchscreen is big enough and also quite responsive. The headphone jack and a USB charging port are located conveniently under the screen. And if you need more power, you can also use the universal power outlet under the seats. About 30 minutes into the flight, at 3 AM in the morning, the crew came around and offered a small snack and drinks of your choice. Today the snack was a chicken tikka pizza, which tasted very good. About 2 hours before landing in London Heathrow, the breakfast was served. Quite a colorful meal. The hot option I chose was omelette, spinach, tomatoes and mushrooms. On the sides they offered fresh fruit, butter and jam, a butter croissant, packaged water and orange juice alongside with plastic cutlery, and they also offered tea or coffee and additionally drinks of your choice. I went for some tomato juice.
Local time. Whereas the time now in London it's 28 minutes past 6 in the morning. Wind-wise it's quite clear, temperature of 13 degrees Celsius. As here on behalf of Royal Brunei Airlines, thank you for flying with us and we hope to welcome you again in the future.
As we approach London Heathrow Airport, my 6th flight with Royal Brunei Air comes to an end, and I must say I have enjoyed all of them. The crews were fantastic, very proactive, the seat was comfortable and the food was good, and on top of that I only paid €450 round trip from London to Melbourne, Australia, which is insane if you think about it. So hats off to Royal Brunei. I will certainly fly Royal Brunei again if they pop up in my search again.
Jam 15 pagi dan sudah bersama dengan Raja Brunei. Semoga kita akan berjumpa lagi di masa akan datang. Dear guests, we have landed at London Heathrow International Airport with a local time is 15 minutes past 7 in the morning, and outside temperature is 13 degrees Celsius.
Okay, better than please, slide and cross